Right, so I've connected a Scantronic Eurobell to the veritas system. So we're going to be testing it via the panic button. I'm going to show it to you first. So here's the Eurobell. If I step back a bit, it's secure to the wall. I know the wire's hanging there, but that's all I can do at the moment. It's just a temporary thing for a few months till the building gets renovated. I thought I'd install the system for a bit of fun. So we're going to test out the bell now via the panic button. Right, so system's reset. So yeah, that was the Eurobell going off. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.